What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. It's an educational channel that's bringing you up to speed on the latest news and information all around the crypto space, but also providing you some first look at, crypto lingo. What is crypto? What is blockchain? So it's for people that are invested in crypto already and for those who are not yet invested that are trying to learn some new information before they decide to invest. So one of the big stories right now happening, by the way, hit that like button down below, subscribe to the channel. ClearCryptos has a token of its own coming very, very soon. You're going to want to be locked into this channel because not only are we going to be talking about all the news around the crypto space, but some big news coming inside ClearCryptos too. They've got a Discord down there. Join that as well. But one of the big top stories happening right now is the Ethereum Merge. Ethereum, if you're new to crypto, is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, right behind Bitcoin. You may have heard of that even if you're not invested in crypto. Now, Ethereum is going through what's called a move from proof of work to proof of stake, meaning instead of mining Ethereum like they do Bitcoin, they will have validators, and it is a proof of stake protocol. It's actually way better on the environment. That is somewhere else on the channel, the difference between proof of work, proof of stake. I might even have created one of those, so you could probably find that somewhere on this channel. So we won't go into that in this video, but for those of you who know what's happening here, the Ethereum Merge is set to happen this week. So let's jump in. Now, an expert warns of issues with Ethereum Merge despite overall success. Ethereum 2.0, or what they're calling the Merge, has a lot of hype building up for it, right? It's heavily anticipated. The Ethereum network has been talking about this move from proof of work to proof of stake for years now, and the Merge is set to be triggered very, very soon, somewhere between September 13th and September 15th. It is supposed to go down. Vitalik Buterin, of course, the Ethereum co-founder, indicated that this is the target date right there, September 13th to the 15th. There will be kind of a countdown happening that you can watch in real time as well. Now, could we have issues with the merge in the short term? Well, crypto insiders recently predicted that the Ethereum Merge could most likely be an overall successful event. Certain influencers said there are 10% chances that the transition could face hurdles. In similar lines, an executive director of Blockchain Association, Kristen Smith, said there could be some small issues. She was speaking to CNBC when Smith said that the merge could most likely be successful overall. She says, I think it'll be mostly successful, but I'm sure there will be small issues that need to be worked out along the way. More Ethereum tokens are going to need to be locked up in order to run the operations of the network. Meanwhile, Ethereum's price appears to be retracing after a recent upsurge due to the merge anticipation, but Ethereum's still up and getting closer to 1,800 here. We can bounce over to CoinMarketCap, kind of take a look at what's going on here. Overall crypto market at the time of the recording, this is Monday, September 12th in the morning. We are moving up a little bit. Ethereum's up over 1,750 right now, but it could be a little bit different by the time you look at this video. The merge right now is very, very, very close. The Ethereum ecosystem is all set for this transition. And here's the thing with Ethereum, even though there might be some hiccups here in the short term, okay, as we make this transition, long term, this is a huge catalyst for Ethereum in terms of scalability. One of the things that's happened with Ethereum, it's grown so fast and so quick that there is a lot of congestion on the network, and this should help that in the long term. So it also should help make Ethereum deflationary, because the last big update to Ethereum was EIP 1559, which actually started burning Ethereum at a rapid rate. So over time, Ethereum will become a deflationary asset, which should be very good for the price as well. So that's what I've got for you here in this video. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want more content like this, keep you up to speed of what's happening. Go check out clearcryptos.com. They just released their board of advisors. Oh my goodness, what a unbelievable list of extremely, extremely high profile and highly experienced individuals on this list. So highly encourage you to check this out. Down below, you'll find a link to the website. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.